Okay, so I found my error. My previous video, there was divided by 3, it's a carry-on error from a previous example, and there was supposed to be a plus here. So if I go ahead now and I'm going to run this, once you run it, and you double click on example, you can see that you will get the proper video, you will get the proper plots as they are. And the important thing here to know that what we are really interested to know is, remember, we did everything to find the critical location. So now when we're going to do the critical location, um, we come back here. Give me a sec. So when we want to do the critical location, what you need to think is, where should I go? Now, if you look at the location where the moment is maximum, you remember your shear and your axial loads will never will be the driving force. So when you come over here, uh, and over here, you can see those are two bigger peaks. Now the next thing you have to see is where your torque is maximum. So if I go 10 minus, I go on this side over here, let's say, you will see that you have zero torque for your maximum moment. If I go 10 plus, where I'm seeing from this side, now I have maximum moment and a maximum torque. So if I can make the argument, probably the critical location will be 10 plus. However, you could make the argument and say, hey, but I got a shear maximum here as well. Well, then it all depends what you want to do, right? Because if I choose 20 minus, 20 minus would give me this maximum shear, which is less than this one, but will give me the same value of my torque as I got over here. But then here on 20 minus, my shear is very small. It's insignificant. It's only 70. If I go on my 20 plus, however, yes, my shear is max. My moment is not max, but it's pretty high. But then my torque is zero. You could check it. Later I will teach you. So you could say, make the argument, well, I got two critical points, 10 plus and 20 plus. However, as I told you, always moments will be the driving force. Uh, so since they are the driving force, with that said, they are the driving force. So therefore, this is not a possible option. I would suggest that the possible option is 10 plus. Okay, so the critical location in this problem again is 10 plus.